Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today I'm going to be doing me some crochet braids. As you can see, I have my hair braided already, and the hair I'm using today is the main concept Afri Naptural 2x 2-in-1 bonus pack Caribbean 3A water wave hair in 10 inches. Here's the hair. The name is a mouthful, so pardon me. Caribbean 2x 2-in-1 3A water wave 10 inch. I have two bags here. So each bag comes with like two pieces, you know, like two bundles. Yes, that's the word. So I have to, so that's like 4 bundles of hair. I have 2 bags. The first bag is the color 1B, all of the color 1B, and the second bag is a T1B burgundy. I've had this hair since like forever, for such a long time now that I don't even remember where I bought this hair from. So when I checked this out online, I found out it's like $9.99 a bag from online stores like Divotress, Sam's Beauty, and the likes. So I'm going to be using this one bag of the color 1B and one bag of the T1B burgundy, which here is it. This is the T1B burgundy. Hope this is going to be enough. I mean, I'm just going to like space out the back if it's not enough. So I know how to work my stuff. So this is one bag, T1B burgundy, 10 inches, and this is the bag of the 1B. Ouch, come out now, you. Ouch, come out. I need my scissors. Ah, yeah, it came out finally. So 1B, T1B burgundy. All 4 bundles are going in my head, and so keep watching as I get started. Okay, the way this hair comes, I like this. I'm not going to be separating anything. It comes in strands that I can just stick in my hair already, so I think it's going to make my life pretty easy. Now I'm done installing my hair, and in all honesty, this hair was so easy to install, being that the hair came like this, like single bits, sort of like sorted out, so I wasn't like pulling out any hair, and I didn't separate things at all. It was so easy to stick in and just style. The hard part of getting this done was combing my own hair out and doing my cornrows, because my hair is a lot of work sometimes. But then this was so easy. This is just the way the hair is. I did not cut anything, no cutting, no trimming. I still might do some trimming later, but I don't really think I want to, because I just like the way the hair hangs. It's 10 inches, 2 bags. Actually, now that I think about it, it seems like it's 4 bags, because this is 2 bags of the 2X. It's a 2-in-1 pack, so I believe they have a single pack. So if I had used the single pack, it probably would have been 4 bags, but since it's the 2X, the 2-in-1 bonus pack, I had 2 of that, and this is just how big the hair is. And just so I didn't, you know, I didn't separate anything. I mean, if I had separated the pieces of hair, I guess it would have gotten kind of bigger, but this is just perfect like this. Well worth the money. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but then it's very, very well worth it. And I love the color. I like doing my color like this. I put the color in the back and some of it in the front, and I put my dark color in the front right above it. So thank you for watching.